Good Wednesday morning, and thanks for logging on to TDSweather.com. I'm meteorologist Joseph Cooper with your Northern Ohio forecast for today. Out there this morning, we have temperatures in the mid-30s to low 40s across the area. Dry conditions in place. We'll start off with sunshine today, but clouds are going to increase later today with rainfall arriving here tonight on into tomorrow. I'm probably setting up for some areas of pretty heavy rainfall as this area of low pressure moves up across the area into the next 24 to 48 hours. So going into this morning, we start things off at 9 a.m. Dry weather in place. Like I said, lots of sunshine this morning through 9, 10, 11 a.m., probably on into noon or so. And we'll probably see sunshine in through midday, early afternoon time frame. But as we get into 2, 3, 4, 5 p.m., we will see clouds increasing throughout the afternoon, and we'll end up with cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. However, we'll remain dry on into the late afternoon, early evening. By 7, 8 o'clock, rainfall starting to push on into places closer to Worcester and Canton, maybe even back up towards Akron and Kent at this point. And then as we get into 9, 10, 11 o'clock, that rainfall spreading up to the north, so we'll start to see some light rain showers and sprinkles up into Cleveland and back out towards Ashtabula and those locations as well by late this evening. Into the overnight, rainfall is going to continue to spread on in here, and as we get into midnight, 1 a.m., 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m., you can see that rainfall ongoing. Areas of moderate to even periods of heavy rainfall are possible at times overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. And as we continue through 6, 7, 8 a.m. tomorrow, rainfall still in place. In fact, coverage probably near about 100% overnight tonight into tomorrow morning. Now, as we get into 9, 10, 11 a.m., as this area of low pressure starts to move up closer to closer to Ohio, we may actually see a period tomorrow morning, mid-morning through midday, where we see coverage decreasing and becoming a little bit more scattered. But this is, you can see 11 a.m., but then into noon, and especially by 1, 2, 3 o'clock, that area of low pressure starts to move off to our northeast. So we do start to see that rainfall filling back in on the backside of the low. So tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, this is 4, 5, 6 o'clock, rainfall still remaining likely. Again, a lot of this tends to be a little bit lighter, but there will be periods of moderate to maybe even briefly heavy rainfall tomorrow afternoon into the evening, and we'll continue with rain on in through 8, 9, 10, 11 p.m. into midnight, and as we continue into early Friday through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 a.m. on Friday morning into 6, 7, 8 o'clock, and then as we get into 9, 10, 11 o'clock on Friday, we should start to see most of that rainfall ending. Probably going to hold on to some lake effect rain showers into far northeastern portions of the state out towards Lake Geauga and Ashtabula County late Friday morning in through Friday afternoon, and then late afternoon into the evening, that rainfall ends and we're dry Friday night. And as we work on into Saturday, rainfall amounts through late tomorrow evening. You can see 1.25 inches to 1.75 inches of rainfall out there. And if we kind of extend this on through the end of this, you can see some places out there 1.5 inches to maybe 2 inches of rainfall into far eastern portions of the state. Now, with that being said, there may be some areas out there that do see 2.5, 3, maybe even 3.25 inches of rainfall if you get under some more persistent moderate to heavy periods of rain later tonight on in through tomorrow. So certainly some localized heavier amounts expected across the area. Highs today will be into the middle to perhaps a few upper 50s. Winds will be from the northeast at 7 to 14 miles per hour overnight tonight. We'll drop down into the low 40s, maybe a few outlying upper 30s. And then we get into the daytime hours tomorrow, a cool day with highs in the upper 40s to low 50s on Thursday. And the next 7 days we'll call for 57 today. Clouds increase, rain arrives tonight, 100% chance of rain tomorrow, and 54. 52 on Friday, 52 on Saturday as those showers end. We will be dry on Sunday, and 53, 57 on Monday, and 55 on Tuesday. That's all I have for you here this morning. Everybody, thanks for logging on. Have a great day.